One of the big names of Pro Circuit is back at least for 2025. That's what the official announcement from Pro Circuit said, with an option for 2026. He's got a full contract for the Super Motocross season, at least for 1 year. But if you look at his post from Instagram, it says, quote, "It's a dream come true for me to be part of this team for even 1 year. But to think that this will be my 6th year on the team is crazy. If you would have told me that I was a kid, I would never have imagined." Uh, I mean, you gotta say good for him. Super happy, and he joins. So Cameron McAdoo, Garrett Marchbanks, Ty Masterpool, Levi Kitchen, and Seth Hammaker are going to be the Pro Circuit team. It looks like so far next year. Obviously, that is missing the Austin Faulkner name, but that's the rumor that he's going to Triumph. So who knows about that? Or maybe he ends up back on Pro Circuit. I mean, they've already paid him enough money to not race. Why not? What's one more year or two? But hopefully this is a good year for McAdoo. He has the yips of always getting injured every single season, so hopefully he can kick that in the butt and win. I mean, at this point, he's probably what, 24, 25, somewhere around that age. So getting to the point where it's move up or get out kind of thing. But I don't know. Comments below, you guys tell me. How well do you think he does? Do you think this is a good thing for Pro Circuit? Are you happy about it? Do you wish somebody else got the ride? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment, do all the fun things the platform allows you to do, because it really just helps me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.